How to make organic soap. If you suffer from any number of different skin problems, then you might wish to consider taking a long, hard look at your current choice in soap. Not only can these irritate the skin by drying it out and causing rashes and allergies, but they can also cause a wealth of other problems, potentially even making you ill. This is why more and more people are choosing to make the switch to organic hand soap, and it's why you should maybe consider doing the same. The problem with soaps: your regular commercial soaps tend to use a large number of synthetic ingredients. What this means is that they were formulated in a lab and not based on any original, healthy ingredients. Examples of these compounds include dyes, fragrances, and even estrogenic elements that can lower testosterone levels in men, leading to infertility and even impotence. This is in combination of phthalate, which are also linked with reproductive disorders. One of the most worrying regular ingredients is something called triclosan, which is a carcinogen and toxin. This substance can potentially continue acting for up to 12 hours after initial contact. And the thing to remember here is that the skin is porous. If a soap touches your hands, that means it will be absorbed into your bloodstream. So if you wouldn't feel happy eating it, you should probably avoid rubbing it all over your body. Even the soaps that don't include any outright dangerous chemicals will often be so astringent as to completely dry out the skin, as well as removing all of the good bacteria that the skin, and our overall health, actually benefits from. The benefits of natural organic soap: when you use organic hand soap, on the other hand, you'll be using a product that is made from only naturally occurring ingredients. These are all derived from various plants, herbs and foods, things that you literally would feel happy to eat. And that doesn't just mean that the soaps aren't bad for you, it also means they are good for you. In other words, there are specific benefits that come from using soaps made with ingredients that come from nature. For example, most natural organic soap will use some kind of essential oil. Essential oils are regularly antimicrobial and antibacterial, hence why they work, but they're also highly fragrant, naturally moisturizing, and filled with great nutrients. Instead of stripping your hands of their natural chemicals and smelling like a hospital, you are providing your skin with natural and helpful vitamins and minerals while lathering with a natural, pleasantly scented ingredient. Can organic soaps really work? The question a lot of people will ask at this point is whether an organic hand soap can really work as well as something formulated in a lab. How can this possibly be as effective? The answer is that the best organic soap is every bit as effective, and the thing to remember here is that we evolved in the wild, during which time we survived and thrived on only ingredients we could find that way. Our idea of moisturizing back then was to cover our bodies with mud, which actually are filled with natural beneficial minerals and nutrients. Nature can provide literally everything that we need to be healthy and happy, and if that wasn't true, then we wouldn't be here today. How to make organic soap. If you're interested in living a more organic lifestyle and trying to avoid hurtful chemicals, which you should be, then the good news is that there are plenty of resources online that provide recipes and instructions for making your own homemade soaps. Here are the ingredients for a great organic soap. 3 cups of glycerin soap base, 1/4 cup infusion of lavender flowers and rosemary leaves, 1½ teaspoons of lavender oil, 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary oil, 1 teaspoon of pulverized dry rosemary. To make your own infusion, you simply need to pour steaming water over plant parts and steep for around 10 minutes. For the true organic effect, the water should also be non-chlorinated.